Hi, I'm Debbie Halbrook, and welcome to my channel. You know that most online home business owners are just overwhelmed with finding interested people to buy their products and join their opportunities, especially if you're a motivated baby boomer gal like me. Our time is so very valuable and precious, and we want to quickly see the results of our efforts. So by now, you've tried everything your company and your team has told you to do with little results. That is why I created this channel, Online Marketing for Baby Boomers. I'll share with you the latest skills and knowledge I've learned over the past years each week in my video. I'll show you how I use simple to learn and inexpensive tools, and in some cases that are free to use. I also share with you a three-part system that will quickly help you to gain influence and build your confidence so you can consistently attract interested, qualified buyers for your products and services faster. I'll empower you weekly to create the kind of thriving online business by leveraging social media that can and will support your dream lifestyle. I've included a link below with my calendar availability to book a 15 to 30-minute strategy call with me if you would like to get going even faster. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.